We're going to get a jump start on our spring cleaning right now. Our next guest is sharing some must-haves that you need to add to your toolkit for this year.
We're going to get through this.
Yes, we will.
One
it gives me
sponge
anxiety,
at a
but we're
time.
going to do it.
Joining us live this morning is Courtney Mason, Vice President and General Manager of the Spruce. Hello and welcome back, darling.
Thank you so much for having me today.
This is a source of stress for friends,
It's just so time-consuming.
but it needs to get done.
It needs to get done, and it can be really satisfying.
Yes.
And one of the best ways to cut down on the time-consuming nature is to think now about what you need in your toolkit so that you're not halfway into a project, realize you're out of something, running to the store, getting it, and creating this kind of dread and anxiety. So we'll build our toolkits now.
Prior planning. All right, talk to us about how much, how you chose these items.
Yes.
And
So
how much testing went into them as well.
At the Spruce, we are constantly testing and reviewing products. It's actually super fun to really get in there and see what works and what doesn't. So everything that we've selected here, these are some of our favorites that we've tested. Everything's under $50, and honestly, most are around $10, which makes them a great buy.
Fantastic.
Love that.
We have to spring clean the whole abode, right?
We do recommend that you spring
can't leave a room out.
Can't leave a room out. And spring's all about renewal and refresh, and it's fun to get in there and give your home a top to bottom clean.
Yeah.
She's fun, she says.
It's
She
fun.
keeps throwing that word around in there.
It can be even more fun with some.
Yeah, I will say once I get started, I'm like a mad
And then you
woman.
can't stop.
I'm
Yeah,
like,
true.
okay, what do we have over here? What are we cleaning here?
Okay, you must have a great microfiber cloth and a great all-purpose cleaner. My family's probably making fun of me right now because I love microfiber cloths. They're reusable, they grab everything, they can work with so many different cleaning products. You can get them anywhere, Amazon, Costco, they're pretty cheap, and I just love them.
Now, why does your family give you so much guff for
Because I
this?
keep telling people how much I love them, and they find that interesting.
I co-sign. I like that.
I
It's
love
good.
a
It's
microfiber
reusable.
And you can use this on any surface.
You can use it on nearly any surface, and it pairs really well with a great all-purpose cleaner.
I love an all-purpose.
Yeah.
We love this one from Mr. Clean because it's truly all-purpose. So you don't need so many specific products for your kitchen or your bathroom. This one can kind of come with you from room to room, which is really great.
Here, here.
Like your holster.
Yep, put it in your holster. If you have carpets or rugs, we highly recommend you keep a carpet stain remover in your toolkit.
I do not have this.
And we had a ton of fun testing this one from Rocco and Roxy. We tested it on mud, on wine, on barbecue sauce. We really get in there. And this one was really effective.
Mud,
with
wine, and
one,
BBQ
maybe a second treatment sometimes if it's a
Okay.
really tough stain. All you do is spray it on the area, let it sit for a few minutes. We found 12 minutes to be a pretty
That's the
good
sweet
amount
spot.
of time. And then just wipe it up with a clean cloth.
And that's it.
And that's it.
Who on the Spruce team decided what the stain thing was going to be?
If you think about kind of living in your home and the types of stains that are going to come up,
There you go.
it's not so surprising that kids and pets might
I
bring in
see
the mud.
these two animals on the logo. This sounds like something I need to put in my toolkit.
I am surprised you don't have this.
Me too.
Okay.
It is great. And
Next.
then we can't forget to clean the appliances that help us clean.
Oh, gosh,
So we
yeah.
recommend you clean your dishwasher and your washing machine about
boy.
once a month.
Oh, my
and these tablets
Once a
make
month?
it once a month, but these
I am
tablets
behind.
from a
I'm
fresh make
behind.
it really, really easy. You just pop them in the machine
And run a cycle?
run a cycle.
Empty?
Run your washing machine empty, but you can actually run the dishwasher tablet alongside a load of dishes and do that double duty.
How many-
And it helps you cut down on needing to rewash your dishes or rewash your clothes because it's nice and effective.
How many times have you washed your washing machine?
0.
You?
I wash
100.
it
Once a month.
I mean, I like to keep it clean. I like to keep it running effectively.
Well, you
if
know
you notice
what?
any residue on your clothes, good time to pop one of these tablets in there.
Wow. Okay. Moving right along.
We're making it easy, I promise.
This
Let's
is,
talk about some
No,
gear.
this is good. I love all of this.
In
Oh, I
addition to
have
the
this. I
products,
have this.
we recommend having some great gear. Spring is synonymous with pollen and pet hair and dust, so you want a great duster, and we love this one from OXO. First of all, such a cute color.
Yeah, I have the one that's for wee people.
Oh,
It has
the
the
extender. We
I have
love
that
an
one
extender.
too. 15-foot ceiling silo.
But then if you touch it, see how soft it is? That softness is what's grabbing the dust and not spreading it around anywhere. It's really, it's sticking in here. And if it starts to look dirty and grimy, you can pop the top off and throw it in the washing machine, reusable.
Just like that.
And then you
it's
clean the
pretty,
washing machine.
It's pretty bendy, so you can get under bookcases or couches. And
Or if
can
you
get
have
all
a
those
Venetian
heavy-
Under my
blind
bed.
or the
Oh,
blind.
Venetian blinds, true.
Yep, the softness is really
In
great
between
for those.
stuff on your bookcase, if you don't want to pick
You want to come over and do mine?
No, absolutely not.
You know, I think you might. I think you'll have to take this one.
Is this from Star Wars? This next device?
This is BB-8.
This is BB-8's cousin, the Steam Shot, from the same makers of the little green machine that was going viral on social last year, cleaning carpets and couches.
Oh, yes.
This
That I
one
do
just
know.
harnesses the power of water to create a really effective steam that can remove dirt and grime from pretty much any surface in your house. It's pretty satisfying, a little gross,
Okay.
But it has so many different attachments to get into different areas.
Oh.
This one can help you clean your windows and get a really satisfying clean there. This little guy is great for attacking your
ear
grout
wax.
area
I'm kidding.
specifically.
This
We
is-
do not recommend it on your ears, but we do recommend it on your grout. It comes with some scrubbers if you need to do any extra cleaning. And this attachment actually does double duty. You can use it to steam your clothes. So if you're looking
This
for...
is a device that I need in my house.
This is a device. This is the one I'm most excited to add to my spring cleaning kit.
Okay.
Okay.
And then last but not least,
Last but
a
not
vacuum.
least, a great mop.
It's a mop.
Helps make floor care even easier. This one's super lightweight, really easy to use, and the cleaning pads are reusable. Two ways. One, you can put them in the washing machine, but two, it's actually double-sided. So when the bottom gets dirty, you
just
can
flip it
flip it
over.
over, yep, and get an extended use before you need to do that wash in your washing
like this?
machine.
Courtney Mason.
There's no end to the talent.
I wish that my apartment could be cleaned like
Yeah.
as easy as it was for me
Yeah.
to go through all this. Thank you so much for everything. This is all